So I've been walking for some 45 minutes, maybe 45 minutes. I'm walking quite fast, and I have at least 40 minutes more up to my cherry. New tree I've been using. I've decided to go again this week while the weather is still good. It's a beautiful day. See, here's a little cherry tree. See, nice. So still a lot of walking up the hill. It's nice. It's a nice temperature now. Not too warm, not too cold here. Sun is out. It's gonna be a bit colder up on the mountain, and as the day goes by. But I'm gonna work hard, and it's gonna be good. Hopefully until the dark. There's a beautiful stream here. I have arrived at my spot finally. It's time to sit down and take a rest. Now is the moment when you feel a bit tired and you think, oh my god, now I just have to start working. But this is why I'm gonna rest a bit and have a little bit of lunch, and then we're gonna start processing all this lovely cherry. Well, I'm looking at this piece of cherry while I'm eating to prepare better. See, this is how we're gonna go. This part here, there were branches here, so this is rubbish, we can't use it. But from here, I need to cut here, this bit here, straight, beautiful piece. These are spoons. Then again, branches. So we're going to cut here, then again here, and we can have more here, and then again rubbish. Then it's going up and down, and then again, nice bit here, from here to here, and so on. But today I'm going to process at least one bit here. You're going to see. And I still have some wood left over from last time. I don't need to cut, so I'll be probably axing out some of those first. this is what we're after. Beautiful straight wood. Look at this. I'm using the core. Beautiful wood here. Now we need to do some splitting. So we can find a natural line of splitting here. I'm going to use that. Just tap it lightly, and now I'm going to remove this, cut the bark just a little bit. One side is enough. It's a small piece. Okay, that's it. Now we're going to open it like a beautiful book. See? Lovely. We'll see what kind of spoons we can get out of it. So now I'm splitting these pieces into billets. Some are larger for cooking spoons, some are smaller coffee scoops. So I'm basically splitting these larger pieces into smaller, depending on how the grain goes. Try to detect which piece is for a cooking spoon, which one for an eating spoon, and so on. A lot of work here. This is going to be a cooking spoon, so I'm using this ruler just to measure the size, and it's a wooden ruler. If I lose it, I'm not going to leave any plastic. It's extremely old, and I lost it a few times and found it again, so it's indestructible. Let's see, a nice cooking spoon. I draw everything freehand, so each one is unique, and you just follow the grain and see where it leads you. Some are a bit larger, some a bit smaller, some are like this, that, usually similar shape, but each one has its own character. It's like brothers and sisters, similar, but each one is unique. So here's a cooker for all of you who love cooking. There it is. Now to axe it out. I'm just axing it here on this piece of cherry, so this is my workbench for today. I'll cut this piece here, I don't need it. With time, you learn how to work fast. An axe is a really excellent tool. Much better than a saw. Just works great. Okay, gonna do some stop cuts now. One here, one on the other side. You watch it here, not to overcut. When you're tired, you can overcut. Watch it here, or you'll knock out this piece. Okay. Okay, that's it. Now I'm just going to remove this and this. I'm using this back end of the lock. One side, and I can hear some loggers in the distance. Well, they're using a chainsaw. Okay, that's one cooking spoon. Next. So I've been working for some five hours here, and I'm a bit tired now. I processed a lot of wood, and it's getting a bit colder, and I'm losing light now, so I need to pack up and go. So I'm speaking a bit slow because I'm a bit tired. I have my little yellow bag here with goodies, all kinds of spoons, eating spoons, coffee scoops, all kinds of stuff. So need to pack up and I'm going. It's been a long day, a lot of work, but a good day. Spoons are coming. Now I need to pack up and hike back down. But it's easier down than up before the light goes. So I'm hiking back down, and I'm losing light, so I'm moving fast. Okay. And I've heated up nicely, and I caught my second wind now, so ready for another run. And I'm almost at the end of my way. I'll be hitting civilization soon. It's getting quite dark now, but still a bit light left. So I'm coming out of the woods. Soon I'll hit the asphalt. You can hear dogs and people. Back to civilization. I've just picked an apple off the tree. It's ugly as hell, but it's so good. I'm hungry.